Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Flash Ergonomic Task Chair with or without headrest. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism already attached, backrest, adjustable arms, 5-star base, gas strut, 5 casters. If the headrest is ordered, the following additional parts will be supplied. G. Plastic insert with threaded holes. H. Headrest. I. Screw cover. Bolt pack including J. M6 x 16 mm. K. 4 bolts M6 x 20 mm. L. 2 bolts M6 x 22 mm. M. 2 washers 6 x 15 mm. N. 4 washers 6 x 18 mm. O. 4 spring washers. P. 1 x 5 mm Allen key. Q. 1 x 4 mm Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Fit the backrest inside the seat pad bracket like this and secure with 4 bolts K, 4 spring washers O and 4 washers N. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the button on the arm facing the outside of the chair, keep the button depressed and insert the arm into the arm body. Complete the arm assembly using 2 times bolt J and 2 times washer M. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. To fit the optional headrest, insert part G, plastic insert with threaded holes, into the cutout provided between the mesh seat back and the back frame, making sure the holes are pointing to the back of the chair. Locate the headrest into the cutout provided and secure using 2 times screws part L. Fasten through the threaded holes in the plastic insert part G. Make sure the screws are inserted properly before tightening them up. Complete the chair by inserting the screw cover part 1. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Flash Ergonomic Task Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.